Hello dear students, very good morning to you all once again. In today's class I teach you second C program. That means you develop one software or you are going to develop one program that takes two integer values from the user of that software and it displays addition of those two entered whole numbers. That program I am going to explain. In order to write that C program, you need to start the Turbo C++. Already I explained you in the last video. Just double click on this. You need to wait for some time. C language starts and you are going to get the editor with the blue background color. Yes, you can see on the screen now. This is what the program I explained in my last class. This is what the editor. Now what you need to do, you need to close this file prg1.c. Already I told you how to close the opened file. We go for window menu. There we choose the option close. Opened file is closed now. Now we want to write one more C program. That's why we go for file and new option. You can see the new file name as no name.cpp. I will maximize the window. Now I write a C program. Already I told you in my last class, in order to write C programs we have to add which header file? Can you tell me? Standard input output dot h header file. This is preprocessor directive. It includes this header file. And we write void main. Void means no return to operating system. Here my program started, here my program completed. Now for example, I want to display the message. Already I told in my last class, I want to clear the screen. How to clear the screen? CLR SCR. I want to print the message. Printf. Enter any two integers. Enter any two integers. Integers means whole numbers without fractional part. Already you know in mathematics, integers means what? Numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative values as well as 0 as well as positive values. Those are called integers in mathematics. Okay, come back. First machine will clear the screen, then machine will print the message enter any two integers, in the bracket whole numbers are typed, then get ch means machine will wait. Okay, this is not a program, just it will do three things. It clears, it displays and it waits to get one character. I want to save it, file and save, prg2.c, saved it. Now compile menu, compile, no errors, 0, warnings also 0. Run the program. Machine has cleared the screen. First instruction was CLR SCR. Second was printing enter any two integers, and because of getch it is waiting. This is not a full program. Now we do one discussion here. If you want to solve any problem by using a computer we use computer's memories. Now somewhere to store the first number. If you want to store any input or processed data, we need computer's memories. If you want to use computer's memories, you have to give the name for the memories. Name of the first memory N1, in which I store the first number. Name of the second memory as N2, in which I store the second number. Name of the third memory as answer, semicolon, instruction is over. Three names I have given to three different memories from primary memory RAM, but you need to tell to a computer system which type of data you store within those memories. As I told in my theory, int stands for integer. That is a data type available in C language. Machine will understand int, what int means. Int means integer. That is a data type or keyword. Machine will understand it. Name of the first memory as N1, name of the second memory as N2, name of the third memory as answer. These are the three variables I am using These are of which type? Integer type. Now what the machine will do you know? Machine allocates 3 memories. Machine allocates 3 memories of the type integer. It clears the screen, it displays the message, and it waits. Save, run the program. Now run menu, run. Machine has allocated 3 memories. Machine has displayed the message. Machine is waiting one input. Software is not fully developed. Okay. Memories are allocated, but we have not used the memories. Garbage values will be there. Unknown values will be there. Now I want to read 2 values and I want to store in N1 and N2. How to store? We use scanf. Scanf is input function, scan formatted data. What is the syntax? What is the rule? Bracket, bracket, semicolon. Here we have 2 parts. Double quote, comma. Now try to understand my explanation, please. Scanf is must continuous. In the bracket, first part you can see here. This is first part. This is first part, comma, second part. In the first part we write percentage %d twice. Percentage %d means decimal value. I have typed percentage %d twice here. Data specifier. Which type of data are you reading? How many type of data are you reading? I typed percentage %d twice. That means I am reading 2 decimal values, 2 integers I am reading. As I explained in my interaction class, if you want to store the data in memories, we need to give the address of N1 so that that entered value can be stored in N1. How to get the address of N1? Ampersand. And symbol means what? Ampersand. Ampersand N1. Address of N1. Address of N2. This instruction will read 2 values. First value will be stored within N1 memory. Second value will be stored in N2 memory. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, no problem. Very good, excellent. Now I run the program. 3 memories are allocated. First instruction was int N1, N2 and answer. Second instruction was CLR SCR. Screen is cleared. Third instruction was printf. Message is displayed. Next instruction is which one? Scanf. Machine is waiting for input. I enter 7 space here to give 3. Press enter. When you press enter, these values will be transmitted from keyboard's memory to N1 and N2 from primary memory RAM. Okay, 7 is stored in N1, 3 is stored in N2, but we have not told the ALU, arithmetical and logical unit, to do the calculation. Get.ch is working now. Now I tell the machine answer equals to N1 plus N2. Now arithmetical and logical unit will fetch N1 and N2 from RAM. It will do the addition. Addition will be stored in answer. Oh, very good. Now run the program. 3 memories are allocated. Screen is cleared. Scanf. I enter 10. I enter 20. Press enter. 10 is stored in N1. 20 is stored in N2. And answer is 30. But we have not displayed. Get.ch is working. Now what I do? I tell the machine to print. Okay, addition is printf. Bracket double quote. Addition is double quote bracket semicolon. Now enter 10, 20. Addition is displayed message, but contents of answer memory you have to print. No, only message is displayed. That's why what you do. Addition is %d. Why %d? Do you know? We are printing the contents of answer memory, comma ans. Where you typed %d, no, that is data specifier. Their contents of answer memory will be displayed. That means we get addition is whatever the summation did by ALU. Now run the program. I enter 100, I enter 200, press enter. Addition is 300. Oh, nice. We developed the software. This is application software. Application means use. What is the use of this software? It reads 2 integers, it makes a sum, it displays. Oh, now you are developer. Oh, C language helps us to develop application software. You can sell it in the market for 1 rupee. Okay, shall I purchase your software? Yes, please give me the software. I pay you 1 rupee. I hope you understood. I developed the software to find the addition of 2 entered numbers. This is the output of the program. Now user friendly software you have to develop. Addition of %d and %d is %d. Oh, 3 times %d I am using. 3 times %d. Can you tell me first %d is for which memory, second %d is for which memory, last is for which memory? Can you please give me the answer? Oh, very good, John. Your answer is right. First one is for N1, second is for N2, third is for answer. That means according to the entered values, addition of first number and second number is third. Like that we get. Now run the program. Run it. I enter 7 and 13. Addition of 7 and 13 is 20. Oh, user friendly software. The software whichever we design and develop, if it is user friendly, most of the users will purchase, because of which that company comes under profit. Boss may give you bonus. Who are you? Software developer. You are an engineer. Engineer's duty is to design the product or construct the building in such a way that customers must be happier, cost must be less, applications must be more. That person is called as an engineer. In order to become an efficient engineer, you need to gain the knowledge and apply it. Oh, very good. Now this is a very interesting program. This program will find addition of 2 integers. Now I teach you one more lesson in this class. /*. Oh, everything has become blue color. Oh, /* sign forward. This is called comment line. This is not an instruction. C program to find addition of 2 integers. Programmer name CS Chidanand Kusur. Okay, working for which company? Working for BLDE. I am from which place? Jaipur. On which date I have written? 10/1/2021. If any specifications you can write. Whenever others will open a program, they come to know that this program is written for what purpose. Oh, this program, C program to find addition of 2 integers. Who has written? Oh, Chidanand Kusur. Oh, nice. Very easy working. BLD. Oh, which place? Jaipur. On which date he has written? Oh, nice. Any other details so that others can understand? This is called comment line. This is called single line comment. You can press enter, it becomes multi-line comment. This is not an instruction. This is not an instruction to a computer. This is for my reference. Who am I? Who am I? I am a programmer. I am a programmer. The student who writes the comments like this, he or she is a good programmer. This is not an instruction. Now run the program. Nice. 10/20. Addition of 10 and 20 is 30. Oh, nice. Now one more thing. I go for run menu. You can see here F7. Trace. I press F7 now. I am pressing F7. F7 means how machine works. You can see practically here. F7. Oh, memories are allocated. F7. Screen is cleared. Nice. F7. Message is printed. Nice. F7. Machine is reading the input. 10, 19 and 1. I press enter. Now 19 is in N1, 1 is in N2. Next again F7. Oh, answer is 20 now. Answer equals to N1 plus N2 is executed. F7. Oh, addition of so and so is displayed. Okay, get CH. Oh, machine is waiting. Addition of 19 and 1 is 20. This is what we call program. Program is over. You can press F7 to check how the program is running. This is called as tracing the program. Now I do some mistakes. I remove the semicolon here. Now compile it. Oh my god, warning is 1, error is 1. Read the error message. What is the message? Statement missing semicolon. But here printf statement is highlighted. Kindly check the previous line. Whether in the previous line statement missing semicolon? Oh my god, I did mistake. That's why we have to give semicolon. Oh, nice. These are all most commonly made mistakes. Some students printf space they give. I have given space now. Compile. No errors too. Oh my god. Undefined symbol print. Statement missing semicolon. Because of one mistake I am getting 2 errors. Oh, recorrect it. Most commonly made mistakes. Some students will write P as capital, machine will not understand. Compile, 0 error, but try to run, we get error. What is the error? Undefined symbol capital P printf. Oh my god. Like this, always you need to have the habit of reading the error messages and understanding. Then you are going to become a good programmer. I hope today I taught very interesting things. Now come up with your own programs. Please submit. I am eagerly waiting for your answers. Okay? Please be inspired and work hard and help parents and society friends. Be inspired. I want to see everyone as an efficient engineer after 4 years. Okay? Thank you one and all. Try to find addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of entered two numbers. Try other things. In the next class I come up with one more new example for you. Thank you. Till then, take care.